Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to merge cells in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, we would want to know which cells can be merged. Any cells in the spreadsheet can be merged as long as they are selected while using the Merge tool. To access the Merge tool, all you have to do is go to the Alignment group on the top portion of the screen on the Home tab and click on the down arrow right beside Merge and Center. We can see multiple merge options, so we can go ahead and explore them later. Now, for our first task, we want to centralize the trainee evaluation sheet on top. This is because this is called the header, which is used to name the table that we currently have. To do so, go ahead and select the cells on top and click on Merge and Center. And there we go. For the next option in our list, Merge Across, this is applicable to the comments from mentors. All we have to do is select the cells in the comments so that the mentors would have enough space for their comments on John's performance. Go ahead and select all the cells in the comments and press Merge Across. As you can see, a row just showed up where the lines disappeared in between. This is because all three cells from each row is now combined. Now, for the third option, let's try to use the Merge option on the Comments from Mentors heading. Click on the down arrow and press on Merge Cells. And there we go. It looks very clean and easy to understand now. If there are some instances that we want to combine all three cells with different values, we may do so, but there would be a warning from Excel that reminds us that merging cells only keeps the upper left value and discards other values. This means that when we merge these three cells, only James' name would appear right in the middle. If we press OK, there we go. It appeared just as expected. Now, the only rule in combining cells is that either no cells or one cell has values in it. For example, from the comments, I selected the cell with James and an empty cell beside it. If we press Merge, no warning will show up. To unmerge cells, all we have to do is click on the arrow button again and press Unmerge Cells. And there we have it. Those are all the things we need to know right now to access the Merge Cells function in Microsoft Excel.